Imagine hearing your name called out in the vast ocean, not by a human, but by a dolphin. Dolphins are not only charming and agile, but they are also incredibly intelligent. One of the most fascinating aspects of their intelligence is their use of signature whistles. Each dolphin creates a unique whistle that functions much like a name. This allows them to call out to one another specifically and maintain complex social relationships in the deep blue sea. Now let's smoothly transition into the world of intelligent animals and see who else is on the list. Starting our countdown at number 6, meet the master puzzle solver of the skies, the crow. These birds are not just ordinary, they are flying virtuosos of intellect, often seen crafting and using tools to access food. Imagine a bird skillfully using twigs to fish out insects from tree bark or strategically dropping nuts on busy streets to let passing cars crack them open. It's not merely about using what's available but thinking outside the bird box. Their problem-solving capabilities are astonishingly similar to those of a school-aged child. Crows have been observed solving multi-step puzzles that would stump many humans, understanding water displacement well enough to rival some school science fair experiments. Remarkably, these birds can remember human faces for years, distinguishing between friend and foe. So, the next time a crow swoops past, consider it might not be your first encounter, and if you ever find your belongings moved around, it might just be a clever crow at work. At number 5, it's time to roll in the mud with some of the smartest farm animals. Welcome to the world of pigs, creatures that are not just adorable with their curly tails and snouty noses, but are also sharp as a tack. Did you know that pigs can learn tricks faster than dogs? Yes, these porcine prodigies can sit, fetch, and even play, follow the leader with an enthusiasm that rivals our canine friends. But that's not all. Pigs are also known to manipulate their environments. They can use tools, solve puzzles, and have a knack for figuring out complex problems that would stump many other animals. Imagine a pig nudging a stick to reach an out-of-the-way treat. Quite the clever move, wouldn't you say? And here's a fun fact. Pigs have been shown to play video games with more focus and success than some primates. They can handle joysticks and understand the concept of the game, showcasing their ability to concentrate and strategize, not just bacon on the hoof. Pigs are proving they're brainy beasts. Sliding into number 4, meet the remarkable octopus. This invertebrate isn't just about tentacles, it's a true showcase of brain power beneath the waves. Octopuses are not only masters of escape, adept at wriggling out from the tightest of spaces and even unscrewing jar lids from the inside, but also imagine trying to keep your cookies safe from someone who can sneak into a sealed jar. Their intelligence extends beyond these impressive escape acts. They skillfully mimic other sea creatures, effortlessly transforming their skin texture and color to resemble animals like flounders or sea snakes. This adaptation is more than a mere party trick, it's a sophisticated survival strategy. Furthermore, clever cephalopods utilize tools from their environment, such as coconut shells, which they ingeniously turn into mobile homes or shields when necessary. Despite their brief lifespan, typically no more than a few years, octopuses undergo a rapid learning curve that rivals that of many mammals. With brains in their arms, octopuses take multitasking to new depths. Trumpeting into third place, elephants are not just big in size, but also in brain power. Much like humans, elephants are renowned for their profound emotional intelligence. They can experience a range of emotions, from joy to grief, and they even mourn their deceased, a trait rarely seen outside of humans and some other highly intelligent animals. This emotional depth is a testament to their complex neural architecture. Elephants also boast an impressive memory, often remembered in the adage, "An elephant never forgets." This isn't just folklore. These magnificent creatures can recall water sources over vast distances and even recognize individuals after years of separation. Their memory is a crucial survival tool in the wild. Moreover, their ability to use tools elevates their reputation in the animal kingdom. Using branches to swat flies or digging wells to find water are just a few examples of their ingenuity. Their communication, too, is sophisticated, involving a variety of sounds and even seismic signals transmitted through the ground, allowing them to convey messages over long distances. These gentle giants really never do forget. Splashing in at number 2, the bottlenose dolphins are the Einsteins of the ocean. These marine marvels have long fascinated us with their intelligence, which rivals even the most sophisticated creatures on land. But what exactly makes them so brainy? First off, bottlenose dolphins are self-aware. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait that's rare in the animal kingdom and is a hallmark of high cognitive abilities. This level of self-awareness suggests a complex understanding of their own identity and their surroundings. Moreover, their social behavior is nothing short of complex. Dolphins form tight-knit communities, often seen coordinating hunting strategies or collaborating to solve problems. They communicate using a variety of clicks and whistles, and yes, they even have the ability to call each other by specific names, much like humans do. Dolphins also exhibit cultural behaviors, passing down knowledge from generation to generation. For instance, some have been observed using sea sponges as tools to protect their snouts while foraging on the sea floor, a learned behavior that they teach to their young. So next time you swim in the ocean, remember you're not alone in the thinking game. And at number 1, swinging into the top spot, the chimpanzee. In the vast tapestry of animal intelligence, chimpanzees are the virtuosos of versatility. These remarkable primates use tools with a finesse that rivals many human attempts. Imagine a chimp fashioning a twig to fish out tasty termites or stacking stones to crack open a nut. It's not just about survival, it's about strategy. Chimpanzees also display a rich emotional life that can seem all too human. They experience joy, sorrow, and even empathy. Their complex social interactions are a dance of hierarchy, alliance, and sometimes deceit. In their communities, every action and reaction weaves into a dynamic story of social intrigue. Surprisingly, in some memory tests, these clever creatures can outperform humans. Their ability to remember numbers and patterns swiftly surpasses that of an average adult, showcasing a startling aspect of their cognitive prowess. In the jungle of intellect, chimpanzees truly reign supreme. What a journey through the minds of the animal kingdom. We've marveled at the crafty crows, solving puzzles like feathered detectives. We chuckled at the playful pigs, whose intelligence rivals that of young humans. We've been captivated by the observant octopuses, escaping enclosures with a flick of their tentacles. We've admired the energetic elephants, remembering faces and places years apart. We've dived deep with the brainy bottlenose dolphins, communicating in complex ways. And we've observed the clever chimpanzees, using tools just as early humans did. Thanks for joining us in uncovering the geniuses of the animal world. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps the channel out to make more content for your enjoyment. Remember, intelligence comes in all shapes and sizes.